Do you ever feel annoyed when your camera forget the filter you just used? Here's a trick to make your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra remember it. First, open Camera app, tap the quick control icon, then tap Settings icon, scroll down the screen, tap Settings to keep, and then enable filters. When this option is on, this means any filter you have applied in each mode will stay even if you close and reopen the camera. To see how it works, go back to your camera. For example, let's apply a filter in the rear photo mode. Take a photo. Then close the camera. Now open your camera again. As you can see, the same filter is still applied in this mode. This is super useful if you like to keep a consistent style in your photo, or if you are documenting something and want all shots to look the same. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.